Okay, this will be an interesting one. Let's see how we go with this. Alright. This one's going to be, I think, reduced. Right, let's see how we can go with this one. This one's a nice colourful one, which will be good. So we're just going to lighten it a bit. Okay. Right, let's see how I go with this. Right, it is North Shore Times. Right, another Snooty magazine. We've got a nice picture here to work with. So we're just going to slide it around. So let's see how we go. So hopefully we can make this look good. Okay. Okay, out it comes. Whoa, that's colourful, and I like the shapes in that image. It's hard to decide what's going to be the centre of this job. I'm thinking it's going to be there. So that's a really nice looking image overall. So I think we can now... Actually, we've got to make that into our master copy. We can't copy off the original like that. You never get the same movements again. So this is going to be consigned to the recycle pile. And we're just going to set this up differently just for the new settings. So we're just going to go here, and we're just going to leave it as is, and we're just going to take this, we're going to make this into something really nice and colourful. Okay, out it comes. Whoa, it's really dark. It's really like iridescent. In some ways I like it, in some ways I don't. Wondering if we're going to leave it like that or if we're going to basically lighten it off. I think we're just going to leave it like that. But when you get a lot of background, it does... There goes the scanner. Made that sort of sound. It's not a good sound for Konica Minolta, but this is basically when you get these colours do appear brighter, more contrasty when you got extra background. I don't like it in some ways, but in some ways I do. It's tough to choose, but we're going to just leave it like that. We're just going to print them off. But they look really thick with toner, which is the ink, which is the coloured ink, and the black and the black ink as well, of course. So yeah, it's a lot of toner. And there goes the scanner again, making that noise. It's not good for a machine that hasn't been heavily used to make mechanical noises. All of a sudden, well, not all of a sudden. It's been happening even less than a month, or maybe just over a month into when I first got it last year. So I got it in April last year. So basically it's been making noises probably a month or two after I first got it, or whenever, I can't remember, but it's not been used. That machine has not been overused. It hasn't even been used enough to under normal circumstances. So I'm not happy with the mechanical noises that I often here, and we seem to have the problem with the curling has returned. I'm sorry I can't line that up properly, but I think now we can call this quits.